Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. That's a morning walk. I came out with my mom just for an hour to relax ourselves. Early morning glimpse. I hope you all are very excited to get the secret recipe of my mom, Mutton Dum Biryani. So without delaying much, let's get into the video. So we just came back after 1 hour of walk. Kids were all woke up. It's time for them to get ready. And that's Seeraga seviyan. So that's a sweet recipe. We are roasting the seviyan, breaking it into small pieces and frying it in ghee. Just a shallow fry. Fry it well and then take it off. Keep it aside. Put some more ghee on the pan and add cardamom, cloves and a cinnamon stick. That's 2 cups of water added. Let it get boiled, and that's little one's mehendi when she was sleeping. My cousin applied it on her hand. And when it comes to boil, add 2 cups of sugar, and you can add 1 more cup if you want more sweet. Finally, add seviyan. Give a good mix, let it get soaked in the sheera. Do not switch off the flame, let it get cooked. It is a dum seviyan, so we'll close the lid after adding some milk. One more mix and close the lid. Give a mix in between, let it not get stick onto the kadai. The fried dry fruits, I'll be adding 3/4 portion of it, and finally I'll be adding the remaining for garnish. Give a mix and that's over. That's 1 kg of Seeraga samba rice. My mother preferred to use Seeraga samba rice today, so that's mutton cleaned and drained. So we're gonna cook it in pressure cooker before we make the biryani. That's a shortcut method to get it cooked easily. So we have added 1 tablespoon of crystal salt, ginger garlic paste of 2 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, a little bit of water. Put them all in the kadai, give a good mix and close the lid. Islamically, birthdays are not encouraged, but it was the first birthday of my bhabhi in our house, so that's something special made for her by my mother. just to make her happy. The preparations are done. That's 1 kg of onion and half kg of tomato with 1 handful of coriander leaves and mint leaves, and that's 6 litres of green chillies and 1 cup of ginger garlic paste. You will get the more details in the description box I have shared below. To boil the Seeraga samba rice, let the water get boiled first and then we'll be adding rice. We have added 2 cardamom and 1 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick for the fragrance. My dad brought some fruits for the lunch, cherishing mangoes and papaya. He also brought milkmeat, so decided to add some in the sweet as well. Adding the milkmaid to the sweet and we'll give a mix. You can avoid it if you don't want. Milkmaid is a good flavor for sweet and it's really tasty when you add it. To the oil, we're adding cardamom, cloves and cinnamon sticks. After it gets fried, we'll be adding the onion. It's 1 kg of onion. We must first fry the onions very well in the oil. Let it get golden brown in color. Close the lid and cook well for some time. Once it's cooked well, you will be adding green chilli and ginger garlic paste. Adding 1 cup of ginger garlic paste, few green chillies and roughly chopped tomatoes. Adding coriander leaves and mint leaves along. Mix it well, let it get cooked. Adding red chilli powder, that's 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. After it's become soft, we're adding the mutton which is well cooked in pressure cooker. To the boiling water, we are also adding some coriander leaves. I'm garnishing the seviyan. It looks delicious. Finally adding 2 cups of curd. The water comes to boil, we are adding the Seeraga samba rice. Let it get cooked just for 2 to 3 minutes. Seeraga samba rice is very sensitive, so you just need to cook it for 2 minutes in the boiling water and drain it off. Do not flush the water, we will be using it to give dum on the kadai. Add the rice, give a mix slowly, give a good mix so that it gets mixed well. Adding the food color which is soaked in water. Use the old pan to give dum, so keeping the kadai on the pan. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Close the lid. Keep the drained water on it to give dum. Let it get dum for 20 minutes. The rice is well cooked and the delicious mutton biryani is ready. Ready to serve. Do give a try, it will be definitely the same. And I enjoyed the biryani with the dahi pachadi, which already I have shared you in a vlog. Do go and check it. For the lunch, I went down to my cousin's house. He stacks cards and arranges it to a shape. That's my daughter playing with it. He trained her for some time and she just tried to do something in a straight line. I'll be sharing you the detailed vlog on his creation. Now just a glimpse of it. So that's his work. He has built the card and stacked it in a way that it falls evenly. Without skipping, please keep an eye on the video. It's a great time pass for children who are at home. Try to train your kids in something which is not very addictive, like phones or something. There's something different you can try at home to make your kids engaged in some work. Isn't that awesome? The kids were praying along with my mom. Such a cute gesture. I hope you all enjoyed the video. To get more updates on such video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.